Hello traders, welcome to the video. In this video, I want to show you another powerful strategy that you can use to scalp the boom and crash market. So if you look carefully on my chart, this is the 5 minutes time frame and this is boom 500. This strategy I'm about to show you works perfectly on the boom and crash 500. It also works on the rest, but I find out that the boom and crash 500 is the best to trade this setup. So if you look carefully on my chart, I have only one indicator, which is the moving average, and here we are using two time frames. We are using the 1 hour time frame or the 4 hour time frame for our analysis, and we are using the 5 minutes time frame for our entry. So first thing we want to do is to go to our higher time frame, the 1 hour time frame. You can use 4 hour, you can use daily if you want, depends on you. What you want to pay attention to, since this is the bull market, is the moving average to go above the candles, which should be telling us that now market is in a downtrend. We are trying to avoid spikes, so we are trading the retracement, and if we are on a downtrend, the spikes that will be generated will be lesser than the retracements. So here we have a downtrend. Go to your 5 minutes time frame and look for this setup. So you can see at this point, this is the area where it has gone on a downtrend from the higher time frame. The next thing you want to see is you want this moving average crosses above the candles, which is also confirming downtrend to you in the 5 minutes time frame. So what you want to do next is you want to see market breaks out of this 5 minutes time frame, goes up, then comes below again. So next thing you do is to mark out this wick that you have before it breaks to the downside. So once you see that the candle goes below that wick, that is this wick, this is a change in market structure from those that trade SMC. But we are not using their top-down analysis, we are actually using our own top-down analysis. You will enter a sell, then your stop loss will go above this swing. Before this is the last swing before market breaks to the downside. What to target is 3 candles below this low. But you see that market generates one candle, goes to the upside to retest this level where your stop loss is above here, then comes below again. So once you have it go below here, you can still mark out this wick, this small one that is over here, closes below. You can have your second entry over here. Market goes up, test this block, then generate 1, 2, 3 candles, then you close your trade. But if you look carefully, we also have the market breaks this low, so we can also mark out that low for our third entry. Let me zoom in so that you can see. You can see the market comes to retest this block, then it breaks to the downside, generates 1, 2, 3 candles. So you can close your trade. So your next focus will be here again, because when market breaks below this low, you want to see market continue in a downtrend. So you will mark out that swing again. Once you have it close below, you will enter a sell, 1, 2, 3 candles, then you close your trade. So you will do that until when the moving average crosses the candles. So you can see at this point, this is another swing low. Market comes up to retest this level, then you have your another entry around this point, closes below, you enter a sell and count your 3 candles to 3. So you see that market did not give you any swing low over here until it comes to cross the moving average. So once you have this spike that breaks this high, then you go to your higher time frame and look for when it goes above the candles again. That is confirming a downtrend. We don't want markets to go above this last swing high. Markets to go above this last swing high. We don't want markets to go above this last swing high, because according to market structure, we want to have high, low, high that did not go above this high, then low, high, low, high, low. So you can see at this point that we are also following the market structure. So we have our entry here, entry here, entry here to target a particular low. So once you go to your 1 hour time frame and you confirm the market is now in a downtrend again, you come to your 5 minutes time frame, you see that the bull market is also below the moving average. So next thing you do is, this is the low that was created before you have this RSI. So what do? You mark out that low. You can see close below, enter your sell, market come to retest it, create your 3 candles. Then here you have another swing. You mark out that level all over again. Closes below, give you 3 candles. You can see that the price action that you see over here is more accurate than the one I first showed you. Market goes up again and give you a low. So once you have it go below this low, that will be another entry. So over here, breaks below at this point, enter your sell, market comes to retest it and give you 3 candles. And you can see at this point, market comes to the upside to touch the moving average and did not close above the moving average. Then this swing low will be your next entry. So over here, we mark out this level. Once it closes below, enter your sell and count just 3 candles. So one thing you should know is that 3 candles in the 5 minutes time frame is like 15 candles in the 1 minute time frame. So instead of scalping just 5 to 10 candles in the 1 minute time frame, you can easily catch 15 candles in this 5 minutes time frame. So let's go to the crash market, the crash 500, and let me show you how it works over there. First thing you want to do is to go to your higher time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame. You want to confirm when the candles have crossed above the moving average. You can see over here crosses above. So once you have that, then you go to your 5 minutes time frame and look for entries. So this is the point where it crosses over here. So you can see that market breaks, come to retest, then break above. So once you have that break above, this is the swing high before you have this low. So you will mark out this level, closes above, enter your buy, retest, give you that 3 candles. You also have another swing low over here, this high to this low. So you will mark out the nearest high, market closes above, enter your buy, count your 3 candles. You have another one at this point, enter your buy. You have a small one here, enter your buy and count your 3 candles to close the 2 trades. Hope you understand what I am saying. So if you take your time to practice it, you will definitely see the reward. This is also some things that I do in the market and make some money, although it is not 100%, but with this strategy you will get at least 70% win rate. So let me quickly show you settings to this moving average. Click on this indicator icon over here. As you can see, I have only the moving average. Click on the F icon on the main chart to select it. Moving average. Click on that. Make your period to be 35, shift to be 0, method to be exponential, apply to close, style 3 pixels, select color of your choice. After that, click on save. So if you follow my settings correctly, your chart should look exactly as what you see over here. So there is no fixed zoom level for this strategy. You can zoom in or zoom out as you want. After this, I want you to go back on your chart, backtest this strategy and try and perfect your entry, because entry is the most important thing when you are trading this strategy. Like I said, we are not giving signals. We are only showing you some of the ideas that you can use to trade this market. So first thing you do now is to go to your demo account after you have backtested and practice with your demo account. Compare your win rate and see how profitable you will be. Then if you like it, then you can decide whatever you want to do with the strategy. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I release a new video. You can also check out my other videos that are displaying right now on my screen. Thanks for watching.